Hi guys, my name is Krish and welcome to my channel Krrish&Abhi, and today I'm going to show you how to make jello out of this shan or jelly crystals orange. So let's get started. We need 2 cups of water. And now we have to boil it. And we need molds that we can put a jello in. And this is a shan jelly crystals orange. So it's so good, and it's a vegetarian, has no meat. So now the water is boiled, so now I'm going to put a shan jelly crystal orange into it. And now start stirring. Stir it until it dissolves into the water. Now it's dissolved. Now pour the hot mixture into a mold. Allow it to cool for 15 minutes at room temperature. Now we have to put the molds into the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Now we have put it into the refrigerator, so now we're going to close it and wait for 1 hour. Let's go. The 1 hour is done, and the jelly is also done, so we're going to eat one. So let's try it out. So the jello is done. I've tripped out all of them. You can just eat it like this or with some added it. I just want to eat it like this. Thanks for watching. You can like and subscribe to this channel, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.